Hi everyone, welcome back. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to work on the Proxy tab. So in Proxy tab, this is one of the most important tab which we are going to use. This is called the Intercept tab. So the main function of Intercept tab is all the intercepted requests will be displayed over here in the Intercept tab. So what you can do is you can forward the request or drop the request, or if you want to modify your request you can modify it and you can forward the request to the web browser. In order to intercept our HTTP request, first we have to configure our web browser where Burp has the access to listen to all the HTTP requests and responses. So for that, get into options and over here you can see an IP and port number. So this IP is our local host and the port 8080 is where Burp is going to communicate with the browser and it is going to transfer the intercepted requests and responses. Today for that I am using Mozilla Firefox. So open Mozilla Firefox and click on open menu, go to preferences and we need to get into network settings. So type network over here and you can see the results popping up. So go get into network settings by clicking on settings. Over here you can see the different types of proxy settings. So today we are going to use the manual proxy configuration. So click on manual proxy configuration, enter your localhost IP and the port number where you let BurpSuite to listen to your HTTP request and responses. So after entering these details, just click on OK. Our browser is configured to listen to incoming connections and outgoing connections. Today for demonstrating this proxy tab, I'm going to use DVWA. So first let's open Mozilla Firefox and I'm just going to go to 10.0.2.5 which is my IP of Metasploitable 2. So let's get into DVWA. Let me just log in and we are in. So the special type of vulnerability that we are going to see today is the file upload vulnerability. If you take a look at DVWA security, we are at the maximum security which is high. So let it be the same. I'm going to generate a PHP reverse shell in order to get a reverse connection from the web application. So for that, first let's open our terminal and the tool which I'm going to use for the PHP shell is Weebly. So let's type Weebly and generate and let's set a password and the place where you want to save your PHP reverse shell. So I'm going to give the name reverse. So this is the tool which we are using, which is Weebly, and we are generating a reverse shell and this is the password for the reverse shell and this is the location where I'm going to save my reverse shell. So after this just click on enter and now our reverse shell has been generated. Now before doing anything we have an option to take a look at the source code. So let's take a look at the source code. Now if you see over here, we are strictly restricted to upload only a JPEG or JPG format images. JPG or JPEG, both are same. Both of these extensions denote an image format file. So we can upload only an image in this DVWA. So first let's try to upload a normal image. So go to browse and I have an image in downloads. So yeah, let's try to upload this car image. Click on open and upload. Yep, our image has been successfully uploaded. So now what I'm going to do is, as we know that DVWA is restricting us to upload only a JPEG format image, right? So let's go to the place where we are reversal. So let's right click on the reversal, rename. I'm going to remove the extension PHP and type JPG. Okay, and then let's rename this. But in order to make this reversal function, it must have an extension of PHP. Otherwise, the reversal won't work. This is the reason why we are using the burp proxy. So first let's go to BurpSuite and turn on the intercept and go to browse, and I have my reversal in root. So go to root, select the reversal and click on open, and now upload this. So now if you see over here, BurpSuite's proxy has intercepted our HTTP request. Over here you can see the file name is reverse.jpg and the allowed content type is image/jpeg. So if I remove this JPG and if I type PHP, the web application will not allow me to upload this PHP reversal. So what I'm going to do is, before this JPG, I'm going to type a PHP extension. Okay. Now let's forward this request, and if you check out the web application, our reversal has been successfully uploaded. Now this is the path of our reversal. In this path, if you see, before hackable, we have two more paths, which is the IP and DVWA. So first let's copy this and open a new tab and paste. And again get over here and let's copy the rest of the path. Oops, I left the G, no problem. So let's paste it and let's type G. Yep. So when I click enter, I must get a blank white page. If I get a blank white page, we have the correct path of our reversal. So let's click on enter, and yes, if you see, we have a blank white page over here. And now let's try to get a reverse connection from the web application itself. So let's open our terminal. I'm going to copy this path. So right click, copy. Let's just minimize this and BurpSuite too. We don't need BurpSuite now. So the command is weavly and paste the path. After the path, you have to enter your password. Now, when I click on enter, we have a reverse connection. Now, when I ID it, we have a reverse connection from Weebly. Now, I can implement any Linux commands. So, for example, I'm going to type who am I. So, we are logged in as www data. Now, let's do pwd. So this is the location where we are right now. So when I click on ls, you can see all the files, lsla, to see the detailed informations. So now we have a reverse connection, and we have used BurpSuite Proxy to intercept the connection in order to upload the PHP reversal.